Hello, hello, Mrs. T's class. Here we are. We're going to go over lessons 1, 2, and 3 for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of Eureka Math. Here we go. Okay, here we are on lesson 1, problem set. We're on module 5. All right, let's look at our instructions. It says, circle a group that has 10 ones. So we're going to circle our information, 10 ones. How many ones are in 10? 10. So we're just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We circle our group. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we circle it? No. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that have 10? And so we circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are there 10? No, so we don't circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are there 10? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are there 10? Yes. So we circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we circle that. So our bottom question says, how many times did you count 10 ones? So that means how many groups did we circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number goes in our box? Yes, 4. Your homework is just telling you to do the same thing. You're going to circle 10. You're counting each set of objects, even if they're separated. If it's in one box, you're counting for 10. If it's 10, you circle it. If it's not, you don't. On the bottom, it tells us count the number of times you circled 10 and tell a friend or an adult how many times you circle 10. You could always make your own box and write the number in their box. Let's look at problem set number 2. It says, touch and count 10 things. How many things? Yes, 10 things. You're going to put a check over each one as you count, just like it did right here in the example. You're going to only count, though, 10 things. So how many checks will you do? Yes, only 10. So let's do our checks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones, and how many did I not check? 1, 2, 3, and 3 ones. So I have 10 checked and 3 that are not checked. Let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones. How many are not checked? That's right, 2. So we have 10 ones and 2 ones. Let's do our checks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones that we checked because we only said to check 10. And let's count how many we have that are not checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. We have 10 ones and 6 ones. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. And how many do we have that are not checked? 1 ones. Okay. If you can see, we're going to be introducing our teen numbers, but we're showing how it's represented with 10 and 3, 10 and 2, 10 and 6, 10 and 1. let's look at our back of their page. It says you're going to draw pictures to match the words. So whatever you have here in your sentence, your picture needs to match. It says I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. So how many am I going to draw first? Yes, 10. Let's keep our 5 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 circles. 1, 2. Very good. We have 10 ones and 4 ones. So let's do ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we had 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4. That's problem set number 2. If you look at your homework, it says to draw more to show the number. So it says you have 10 ones and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more do I need to draw? Yes, 2. 10 ones and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do I need? 1 more, so I can have 5. 10 ones and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many more would I need to draw? That's right, 3. 10 ones and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many would I need to draw to make 10? 1 more would make 10. And then how many more do I need to draw? That's right, 4. Let's look at the problem set for lesson 3. It says you're going to count and circle 10 things and then tell how many there are in 2 parts. 10 ones and some more ones. So we're circling 10 and then we're going to find out what the other part is. So your example is right here. This is your example. It circled 10 and it had 2 left over. So these are my 2 parts. This is one part. This is the other part. So we're going to circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one part. What's our other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5. So let's circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle 10. And I have my 10 ones. How many do I have in my other part? 2. I have 10 ones and 2 ones, or 10, 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that. And it's okay to use a color for this, guys, if it helps you keep track of where you started coloring, or where you started counting. So I have my 10. That's my first part. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, and 3. 10 ones and 3 ones. Oh, these are all over the place. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already marked them so that I don't lose where I left off counting. I'm going to put my 10, and then I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones and 10 ones. Do you know what 10 and 10 is? That's right, 20. Very good. Let's look at the back. And our back actually goes to, it says lesson 29, and from the module 4. This would just be extra practice. You don't have to turn this in. Again, this is something that you would want to time them. This is a sprint. You can do this in 1 minute. Set your timer. We start at the top, go all the way to the bottom, come back to the top, go all the way to the bottom. This is subtraction. So we can use our hands because you can see that the biggest number here is 5. So if I have 5 and I minus 1, how many do I have? 4. That's right. So you would start your timer, pencils up it. And then when you start, you have 1 minute. See how many you get right in 1 minute. Here's another sprint. This is the same thing, only sometimes our subtraction problem is on this side and sometimes our subtraction problem is on this side. Remember, see how many you can do in 1 minute. Start at the top and go to the bottom. Come back up to the top and go to the bottom. Remember, it doesn't matter where you start. It matters how many you're getting correct. So don't try and do it super fast and get a lot of wrong answers. Take your time, think about it, and then give me your answers. And actually, our packet was stapled wrong. So if you look, here's problem set 3 for module 5. And this is just drawing like we did in lesson 2. So it says you're going to draw your picture to match the words, and you're going to circle 10 of the ones. So it says I have 10 ones and 3 ones. So I'm going to do my 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And how many should you circle? That's right. 10. I have 10 ones and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many am I circling? That's right, we're circling 10. And that's your homework, guys. That's what well, that's the problem set. That's what you're going to turn in. So you put problem set 3. You're turning in on Wednesday. And then problem set 2 is what you're turning in today, Tuesday. And yesterday, you should have turned in problem set 1. Okay? Enjoy your math. Love you. Bye.